Namaste dear friends and welcome back once again. Last time I left you with a question, what is the importance of diagnosis in homeopathy? And does a homeopath order diagnostic tests such as blood tests, x-rays, MRIs and others? Well, to explain this, let me give you an analogy. When you want to go somewhere and let's say you're booking a vehicle on your app, be it Uber, Gojek, Tada, whichever you want. What do? First you put in your destination. Then you put your pickup point. Then the app tells you which is the best way to travel such that you reach your destination in the earliest possible time with minimum difficulty. Now same applies to any kind of a medical treatment. When you go to your medical practitioner or to your homeopath, we are going to apply this same principle slightly reversely. So first, after an extensive case taking and after having done some laboratory tests, other diagnostic tests, a medical practitioner, a homeopath arrives at the diagnosis. That is your pickup point. Then we decide the destination as to where we want you to reach after you have healed, after you have gotten better, depending on your present state of health. Once these 2 points are decided, then we decide which is the best possible way to reach your destination. So which is the best possible way to arrive at the prognosis? For that, we even decide which is the best possible pathy to be used, whether homeopathy is better or Ayurveda or mainstream medicine or surgery. Remember, there is no fight between pathis. The patient is the most important. Our treatment should be patient-centric, not pathy-centric. Unfortunately, that is happening more and more. Now, why does a homeopath need to do the diagnosis? It is very, very important for a homeopath to decide what potency or strength of medicine to use, how often that medicine should be repeated. Also, it helps homeopath decide which is the best remedy sometimes for that particular pathology. So you see, for a homeopath, it is equally important to know the diagnosis to decide on the strength, the repetition and sometimes even the remedies. So whenever you go to your clinically trained homeopath, don't be surprised if they insist on getting a proper diagnosis. Why? For any medical treatment, diagnosis is of paramount importance. So now you would want to ask me, so Dr. Priya, are homeopathic medicines safe? Do they have any side effects? To that, I will be giving my answer, but in my next video. So do follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Insta. We are always there for you to ask us your questions on DM or simply publicly on our post. Thank you and see you soon.